Hello, we from Group 8 want to present our segment entitled Present Continuous. My name is Muhammad Arya Putra.
My name is Muhammad Syakur.
Present continuous. Present continuous tense is a verb from used to express activities or action that are ongoing or unfinished. When spoken about in Indonesian, present continuous tense is the same as the sentence in progress or in process. Structure of the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is format using the verb to be in the present tense and the present participle of the main verb. The structure of a present continuous sentence is as follows. Subject plus am is are plus verb present participle. For example, she is cooking dinner. They are studying English grammar. He is watching TV. Use of the present continuous tense. 1. Action happening now. The present continuous tense is commonly used to describe actions that are happening now or at the present moment. For example, I am drinking coffee right now. She is talking to her friend on the phone. They are playing soccer in the park. 2. Temporary action or situation. The present continuous tense can also be used to describe temporary action or situation. For example, she is staying with her sister for a few days. They are working on a project together. He is living in the city for the summer. 3. Ongoing action. The present continuous tense is also used to describe actions that are currently in progress and are expected to continue in the near future. For example, the company is expanding its operation in Asia. She is studying for her final exams. They are planning vacation for next month. 4. Future plans. The present continuous tense can be used to describe future plans, particu- particularly when discussing arrangement or schedule event. For example, I am meeting my friends for dinner tonight. They are flying to New York next week. She is attending a conference in London next month. 5. Annoying or repetitive action. The present continuous tense can also be used to describe annoying or repetitive action that are currently happening. For example, he is always interrupting me when I'm speaking. They are constantly playing loud music. She is forever checking her phone. When to use the present continuous tense. Remember to use to be in the present tense. Is are followed by the present participle in form of the main verb. Use the present continuous tense to describe action happening right now, ongoing action, future plans, and temporary situation. When not to use the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is a verb tense used to describe actions that are happening right now or actions that are ongoing. However, there are certain situations when it is not appropriate to use the present continuous tense. 1. Status condition. The present continuous tense should not be used to describe states and conditions that are not temporary. For example, instead of saying I'm believing in myself, you should say I believe in myself. This is because the life are not temporary, are ongoing rather than in the process happening right now. Incorrect. I am believing in myself. Correct. I believe in myself. 2. Habits and routines. The present continuous tense should not be used to describe habit and routines. Instead, use the simple present tense. For example, of saying, I am going to the gym every day, you should say, I go to the gym every day. This is because going to the gym is a habit or routine that is ongoing rather than the process of happening right now. Incorrect. I am going to the gym every day. Correct. I go to the gym every day. 3. Non-continuous verbs. The present continuous tense should not be used with non-continuous verbs. Also known as stative verbs. This verb describe a state or condition rather than an action. For example, instead of saying I am understanding the problem, you should say I understand the problem. This is because understand is a state or condition rather than an action that is happening right now. Incorrect. I am understanding the problem. Correct. I understand the problem. 4. Complete action. The present continuous tense should not be used to describe complete action. Instead, use the past simple tense. For example, instead of saying I'm finishing my homework, you should say I finished my homework. This is because finishing the homework is a complete action rather than an ongoing action. Incorrect. I am finishing my homework. I finished my homework. Present continuous and stative verbs. When it comes to stative verbs, which describe a state of being or a condition that is ongoing rather than an action progress, the use of the present continuous tense can be a bit tricky. Stative verbs typically describe things like emotion, mental state, sense, and physical condition. Example of stative verbs include like had, love, prefer, believe, know, understand, feel, see, smell, taste, seem, appear, and have. In general, stative verbs are not typically used in the present continuous tense because they describe a state of being or a condition that's ongoing rather than an action in progress. However, there are some cases where the present continuous tense used to be stative verb to describe temporary change of the state of being. For example, I am feeling sick today, describing a temporary physical condition. She is seeming more confident lately, describing a temporary change in someone's demeanor. He is having trouble with the new software, describing a temporary difficulty with a text.
Common contraction in the parent's continuous tense. The present continuous tense is a verb tense used to describe action or procedure that are currently in progress or ongoing. It is formed by using the optional verb to be in the present tense. I'm, is, are, and adding the present participle from the of the main verb. Here are some common constructions in the in present continuous tense. Affirmer, affirmative sentence. I am studying for my exam. He is playing soccer with his friend. They are cooking dinner in the kitchen. Negative sentence. I am not watching TV right now. She is not working on the project at the moment. We are not drinking coffee at this time. Yes or no question. Are you listening to me? Is she singing a song? Are we playing game? Question. What are you doing? Why is snoring hard? Where are they going? Short answer. Yes, I am. No, she is. Yes, they are. Contraction. I am running late. She is dancing in the living room. They are watching a movie. It is important to note that the present continuous tense can also be used to talk about future plans or arguments, as and I am meeting my friend for lunch tomorrow. Common dynamic verb that use the present continuous. The present continuous tense is commonly used with dynamic verb, which expression your process that are ongoing or in progress at the time of speaking. Here are some common dynamic for the present continuous tense. I am working on a new project this week. Run. She is running in the park every morning to stay fit. Study. They are studying for the final exam at the library. Drive. Have. He is driving to work in his new car. Cook. My mom is cooking dinner for us tonight. Sing. The choir is singing a beautiful song at the concert. Play. My friend and I are playing basketball in the park. Write. She is writing a novel about her life expression. Dance. The couple is dancing gracefully at the far wedding reception. Paint. He is painting a portrait of his girlfriend in his studio. Present continue with sentence with example. The present continue tense in used to describe the happening at the moment of speaking or action that are ongoing. It is formed using am, is, are, followed by the present participle. They are watching a movie. This doesn't apply the current, ongoing nature of an action, unlike the simple present tense. Example: I am reading a book. This sentence.
Let's explore some
Yeah.
example to understand this better. Example 1. I am reading a book. These sentences indicate that the speaker is in the middle of the action of reading a book. Right now, the action is happening at the moment of speaking. Example 2. She is cooking dinner. This is an example of the present continuous use or ongoing action. The action of cooking dinner is currently taking place. Example 3. They are, they are playing soccer in the park. This sentence shows an action that is happening right now. That the action of playing soccer is occurring as we speak. Example 4. We are not watching TV at the moment. This sentence expresses a negative ongoing action. The speaker and their companion are currently not engaged in the activity of watching TV. Example 5. If you are looking for your keys, they are on the table. This is an example of the present continuous used in a conditional sentence. It suggests that the action of looking for the keys is currently happening. The present continuous is formed by using I'm, is, are, followed by the present participle of the verb. It's the crucial to use it the correct form of the verb to maintain the tense. Tense, the explanation and example of the present continuous. That is all, and thank you.
Yeah.